Comprehensive outline for teaching effectiveness. The first topic in this outline is Introduction to Teaching Effectiveness. The link to the video for this topic is provided below. The second topic is Teaching Philosophy and Professional Ethics. The link to the video for this topic is also provided below. This is the third topic. Teaching philosophy and professional ethics includes 1. Developing a personal teaching philosophy, 2. Reflective practice, 3. Ethical responsibilities in teaching, 4. Cultural sensitivity and inclusivity. In this video, I will discuss about each topic. Watch and listen the lecture carefully. The quiz of this lecture is mentioned below. Understanding learners, learning theories, behaviorism, constructivism, cognitivism, etc., learning styles and multiple intelligences, student motivation and engagement, diversity in the classroom, age, culture, ability, etc., supporting students with special needs. Learning theories explain how individuals acquire, process, and retain knowledge. Understanding these theories helps educators design effective instruction. Major learning theories: behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, humanism, connectivism, modern. A. Behaviorism, key thinkers, B.F. Skinner, John Watson, focus, observable behavior shaped by stimuli and responses, methods, reinforcement, punishment, repetition, classroom implications, use of rewards and praise, drill and practice, clear behavioral objectives. B. Cognitivism, key thinkers, Jean Piaget, Jerome Bruner, focus, mental processes like memory, perception, and problem-solving, classroom implications, scaffolding, activating prior knowledge, teaching strategies for processing and organizing information. C. Constructivism, key thinkers, Lev Vygotsky, Piaget, focus, learners construct knowledge through experiences and social interactions, classroom implications, group work, peer collaboration, hands-on activities, encouraging student inquiry. D. Humanism, key thinkers, Carl Rogers, Abraham Maslow, focus, personal growth and self-actualization, classroom implications, student choice and voice, safe, supportive learning environment, emphasis on intrinsic motivation. E. Connectivism, modern. Focus, learning through digital networks and information flow, classroom implications, use of technology and online learning communities. Learning styles, VRK model, visual, auditory, reading/writing, kinesthetic, Gardner's critique, style is not equal to capacity. Learners benefit from varied methods. 2. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Linguistic, word smart, logical mathematical number/reasoning smart, musical, sound/rhythm smart, bodily kinesthetic body smart, spatial picture smart, interpersonal people smart, intrapersonal self smart, naturalist nature smart. 3. Classroom implications, differentiate instruction. Using varied methods, foster strengths while supporting weaker intelligences, promote inclusive teaching through multimodal delivery. 4. Criticisms and cautions, avoid labeling students permanently, use as a flexible tool, not a fixed framework. Learning styles, VRK model, visual, auditory, reading/writing, kinesthetic, Gardner's critique, style is not equal to capacity. Learners benefit from varied methods. 2. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Linguistic, word smart, logical mathematical number/reasoning smart, musical, sound/rhythm smart, bodily kinesthetic body smart, spatial picture smart, interpersonal people smart, intrapersonal self smart, naturalist nature smart. 3. Classroom implications, differentiate instruction. Using varied methods, foster strengths while supporting weaker intelligences, promote inclusive teaching through multimodal delivery. 4. Criticisms and cautions: avoid labeling students permanently, use as a flexible tool, not a fixed framework. Student motivation and engagement. 1. What is motivation? Intrinsic, driven by internal satisfaction; extrinsic, driven by external rewards or pressures. 2. Theories of motivation: Maslow's hierarchy of needs, self-determination theory, Deci Ryan, autonomy, competence, relatedness, goal-setting theory, expectancy value theory. 3. Engagement strategies: use real-life connections and relevance, offer choices in assignments, build positive student-teacher relationships, provide timely and meaningful feedback. 4. Reducing demotivation: avoid excessive testing, minimize fear of failure, address individual student needs and interests. Diversity in the classroom: age, culture, ability, etc. 1. Understanding diversity: learners vary by age, culture, language, socioeconomic status, ability, gender identity, etc. 2. Importance of cultural competence: respect and integrate students' backgrounds, avoid stereotypes, use culturally relevant teaching materials. 3. Age diversity: children versus adolescents versus adults, different motivations and needs. 4. Differentiation in practice: varying content, process, and products, flexible grouping, using assessments to guide instruction. 5. Benefits of an inclusive classroom: encourages respect, empathy, and collaboration, prepares learners for global citizenship. Supporting students with special needs. 1. Who are students with special needs? Include learning disabilities, physical impairments, emotional/behavioral disorders, giftedness, etc. 2. Key concepts: inclusion, educating all students in general classrooms, IEP, individualized education program. 3. Teaching strategies: use of assistive technologies, differentiated instruction, collaborative planning with specialists. 4. Legal and ethical considerations: laws supporting inclusive education, e.g., IDEA, ADA, ethical responsibility to ensure access, equity, and dignity. 5. Teachers' role: be an advocate, foster a supportive learning environment, promote peer acceptance, and reduce stigma. The quiz is in the description below. Attempt this quiz regarding this lecture.